Let's draw a diamond. All you need for this is pencil, markers, and a sketchbook. I'm gonna start by sketching out a very thin oval. From the edge of the oval, I'm gonna draw two lines pointing outwards, kind of the same direction. I'm gonna connect the bottom with a curved line that follows the same shape as the oval. Let's draw a middle all the way down the center and add a dot. That dot's gonna be our guideline for our diamond. Connecting the edge of our larger curve, let's make a point. Add in two lines to our first curve to make a first triangle, and add some little mini lines pointing outwards at the bottom. We're gonna connect those two with a dot directly in the center of our oval. Then we're gonna add two more triangles pointing down. Great, let's grab our marker and let's outline. Now that we've got our outline, let's clean it up and erase out these pencil marks. Using blue, I'm gonna go ahead and color this thing in, but I'm gonna leave a lot of white because I want it to look shiny. You can experiment and see if you can make this work. I added some white highlights, a couple touch-ups, and some sparkles. It's looking pretty much like a diamond. All right, and let's grab a really bright color and outline the entire piece. Add some bubble effects, and boom, shine like a diamond.